Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to submit a zero-tax return online for freelancers. First, let's determine if this applies to you. A zero-tax return is for individuals whose gross income falls below the tax-free threshold, meaning you have no tax liability for the entire assessment period. This process is straightforward for those with no taxable income, ensuring compliance without complexity. It's a simple way to fulfill your tax obligations when your earnings are minimal. Next, let's prepare for submission. Gather all your personal identification details, including your unique tax identification number. This ensures a smooth login process. Then, access your country's official tax authority website. Look for the dedicated online tax filing portal or section specifically designed for individual taxpayers. Having everything ready saves you valuable time and prevents any last-minute scrambling. Now, let's fill out the return. Once inside the portal, locate and select the option for filing a nil or zero tax return. This clearly indicates your income status. You will then declare that you had no taxable income for the specified period. Carefully confirm that all pre-filled personal details are accurate. A thorough review of your declaration ensures everything is correct before moving forward. Finally, it's time for the crucial review and submission. Take a moment to double-check all the information you've entered, ensuring there are absolutely no errors. Confirm that you have selected the correct assessment period for your return. Once satisfied, electronically sign and submit your zero-tax return. Remember to save a digital copy of your submission confirmation for your records. It's proof of your compliance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.